Save time and increase your efficiency with Straumann CARES digital solutions.
Straumann CARES, single-visit restorative workflow. Offer your patients same-day smile restorations with Straumann digital solutions. In as little as 2 hours, Straumann same-day dentistry solutions will get your patients fitted with a crown and on with their busy day. When your patient comes in for their consultation and evaluation, use the Virtuo Vivo intraoral scanner to create a digital impression scan. The small, lightweight handpiece provides a comfortable experience for your patients and an easy-to-use experience for you and your staff. Transfer the files directly to CARES Virtuo Chairside CAD or Trio's Design Studio software and design the restoration. Your final prep step is to create a prosthetic restoration using the CARES C-Series mill with Straumann Nice fully crystallized glass ceramic. Simply mill, polish, and place. Seat your final restoration. Straumann Nice will give your patient a nice, natural-looking smile. All within 2 hours.